Hello everyone, welcome back onto this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do collaborative work for your Instagram story. So here you just need to open your Instagram application, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how to do a collaborative work or some ideas for your Instagram story. To do the collaborative work, there will be two ways. The first thing that you need to do is just go using the mention feature, and the second one is using the hashtag feature. With the mention feature, you just need to you will have a collaborative actions with the someone that you tagged on. But then for the hashtag one, you can make your story being grouping into the same story with the same hashtag. So first thing you have to do is just go click this blue plus button right here to access the photo library, and after that you just need to go click this part and just choose which picture that you want to upload for your story. And after you're done, you just need to go click this alphabet part here. There will be two options, mention and location. If you want to mention someone to do a collaborative work on Instagram story, go click this mention part. And now just need to add the ID or the username of your friend's Instagram, and after that you just need to go click done. You can adjusting the positions. And the second thing we need to do is just go add the hashtag by go click the same, the alphabet one, and just add the hashtag icon and add the hashtag. Let's say we love, and there will be a pop-up several hashtag suggestions, so you just need to go click one of them and go click done. So by adding this hashtag, you will already do the collaborative work with someone who used this hashtag too. And now you just need to go click add to your story. So that's the way, guys, how to do collaborative work for your Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.